Hello, Miss.
Halo,
Hello.
Laura.
Yeah, Miss.
Okay, are you ready to
Oh,
do the test?
a little bit nervous, Miss.
Simulation test ya.
Oh, okay, Miss. Okay, Miss. I'm so excited, Miss.
Okay, okay. Do you prefer to use your question or question from me? Kalau
Um,
yang tadi tiga-tiga yang tadi dia
mm-mm.
based on my question biar beda katanya gitu.
Oh, gitu.
Gimana?
um,
Mm-mm.
gitu ya, Miss. Okay, Miss.
Ya,
Actually,
biar kita belajar
yeah,
spontaneous ya.
yeah. Okay, Miss.
Okay,
Mm-mm.
yuk.
Yeah, Miss.
Okay, welcome to the speaking test. I'm Alpha as your examiner today. My register number is 00512. What is your name?
Thank you, Miss Alpha. My name's Siti Alhamra Salkaura. You can call me Aura.
Where do you come from?
Well, I'm right now residing in Medan. It's a capital city of North Sumatra and in Indonesia, and it's the third largest cities in Indonesia.
Okay.
Mhm.
Do you work or study?
Actually, right now I'm studying. I'm taking doctoral degree in North of Sumatra University or USU in Indonesia.
Okay, now let's go on to the part one of this test. Let's talk about names. What is the meanings of your names?
Well, my name's actually the meaning of my name's actually it's city based on of our religion, Miss, because since I become Muslim, because before my grandpa converted to Islam, so I use city as in the front of my name. But the Alhambra means like like mosque in Spain, and my last name is my family name.
Okay. Does your name is common in Indonesia?
To be honest, no, Miss, because most of people when they saw my name at the first time, they was thinking that I'm from Arabic. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Do you have plan to change your name in the future?
To be honest, no. I don't have a plan to change my name in the future since I respect the name that given by my parents. But if that's a possible way to change the name, for example, to be easier to study abroad, maybe probably I will do it.
Okay. Now let's go on to talk about chocolate. Do you eat chocolate?
For sure, yes. I love chocolate a lot. Since I'm the big fan of chocolate, so I often buy chocolate around 2 or 3 times a week.
Okay. Do you prefer sweetness or bitterness chocolate?
It sounds like a bitterness better for me because I have a diabetes. Since I have a diabetes, so I prefer alteration the bitter one.
Okay. Is it expensive or cheaper in Indonesia?
In Indonesia, it has various chocolate. For example, for the expensive one, we can buy it from another island, for example, from Batam Island or Singapore. But if original from Indonesia, it's cheaper than from import chocolate.
Okay. Now let's go on to the part two of this test. I will give you a cue card and you have 1 minute to build your idea. Wait, I will send to you.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, I already sent, Mbak Aura.
Yes, Miss.
I already sent. Now you have 1 minute to build your idea.
Okay.
1 minute start from now.
1 minute start from now, Miss.
Oh, okay, time is over.
Thank you, Miss.
Laura,
Yeah.
okay. You, you have 2 minutes to start the stage. 2 minutes start from now.
Okay, so I have an experience about something that really make me bored. That time happened when last year in the 8th, and that time I was visiting my grandpa's house in Pekanbaru in the Riau province. And then when the celebration comes, for example, in the 8th, we often we often becomes together, and I really getting bored because some of my aunties and also my uncles ask me about the traditional question. It's like, when will you get married, or do you have someone like a boyfriend or something? And it's really make me bored. If I'm getting bored, sometimes I'm just too lazy to talk, and it makes me become passive person. Passive person means like just sit, making focus with some people talk, but not talk as obviously talk. We just like put our head like, um mm, like, like this stuff make our movement in our head, just something like that. But right now I can control the boring opinion in my mind.
Okay, you still have 15 seconds.
Oh my god.
Okay. Please continue your speech.
And uh, I literally showed the I literally showed my feelings, just like lazy to talk, and like moving my foot for unconditional things, just like that. And sometimes the head movements, and maybe from my face, it showed that I'm lazy to focus on the topic.
Okay. Now let's go on to the part three of this task. This topic is still related to the part two. Um, do you think that using technology could reduce feeling bored from people?
Pardon me, miss, I
Do
cannot
you
hear you
think
clearly.
that
Mm-hmm.
Do you think that using technology could reduce feeling bored of people?
Well, absolutely yes. In my opinion, in my using technology such as mobile phone, TV, laptop, or anything, it would decrease the level of boringness, because by using this advice, um, we can like do something else, for example the entertainment things, or maybe we can find like educational things in the internet or Google or YouTube, or maybe just like watching movie randomly. And sometimes it's useful to killing the time, because we because nowadays, since we face the coronavirus pandemic, we have a lot of time to spend just stay in the house. So for personally for me personally, it's so meaningful for using gadget to spend our time to decrease our boring.
Okay. The last question, what do you do when you feel bored?
The What do you do when you feel bored?
What do you do when you feel bored?
Well, when I'm getting bored, I often do various things since I starting my YouTube channel. So I will try to make a little research about everything. For example, randomly about viral things. So I make a research about it, and then writing a script, and then making a video about it, editing. So it takes a lot of my time to spend in the YouTube channel since I start my YouTube channel.
Okay. This is
Okay.
the end of speaking test. Okay, Mbak Aura.
Thank you, Miss
yang
Miss.
part-
Berontakan, please, Miss.
yang part 2, yang
Hmm.
terakhir
Iya.
itu yang part 2 itu masih kurang waktunya kan.
Iya.
Itu kan ngapa-ngapain tadi gitu
Iya.
kan. Nah, tambahin lagi misalkan selain itu apalagi gitu, misalkan like kalau belum time is over masih dikit, kira-kira misalkan activitiesnya apalagi, like doing sport maybe gitu when you feel bored.
Oh iya,
Nah, gitu.
iya Miss, iya.
Boleh ditambahin aja. Nah, Mbak Aura, secara keseluruhan, aku kasih nilai dulu atau gimana?
Iya.
Secara keseluruhan, overallnya itu udah 6. Overall Mbak Aura udah 6.
Alhamdulillah.
Udah
I see.
6 berarti udah aman gitu kan. Tapi belum terlalu aman karena
Iya.
you should improve your score at least
Iya.
6.5 lah kalau untuk speaking itu
Iya, Miss.
setidaknya.
Okay, Miss.
Nah,
Do you have any
apa aja
advice?
yang mesti diimprove?
Yes, Miss.
Apa aja yang
Important
mesti
things, Miss.
diimprove? Nah, di sini yang mesti diimprove itu adalah part 2-nya Mbak Aura.
Part 2 ya, Miss.
Jadi, you lose your part in when and where. Jadi kayak when itu to be specific lagi, karena when tadi kan the last year, di age apa tadi? 8 party ya?
Iya.
Nah, itu last year-nya itu in 2000 and apa, terus month-nya apa. Nah, specifically-nya. Jadi itu it's to be specific. Nah, ini kalau where-nya, location-nya sudah lumayan spesifik sih, udah lumayan. Nah, tapi di sini harus ditambahin differentiation grammar-nya. Like using if conditional itu nggak ada, aku temuin. Terus like using yang paling penting banget di sini adalah comparison.
Comparison ya, Miss.
Comparisonnya boleh dimasukin di mana aja. Misalkan, for example di Y itu kan si auntie sama uncles-nya itu kan talking about traditional ya, talking about your when you will get married and something like that. If compared to another if I could say gitu kan, if I could say I prefer my family just asking me about my study and something related to my ambition rather than gitu.
Oh, jadi dikasih gambaran daripada dia nanyain nikah, misalnya poin itu aku lebih suka ditanyain tentang gimana kerjaan atau study gitu ya, Miss.
Study gitu. Terus about my ambition to go abroad and something like that misalkan. Nah, pintar-pintar Mbak Aura sih masukin di mana. Biasanya aku curi-curi kesempatan gitu, masukin if conditional itu di mana gitu. Nah, kayak comparison juga compare. Misalkan ya kayak family gathering ini kan like family gathering ya. Ya nggak sih Mbak?
Iya, benar-benar, Miss.
Kan kayak family gathering, berarti nanti misalkan bisa di-compare juga, bisa di-compare dengan yang lain juga, atau misalkan bisa ditaruh di sini if conditionalnya juga boleh.
If
Compared to
conditional.
the others place gitu, compared to the other place, I prefer to choose my home for the family gathering because I should not move to the another place because I have
Oh,
blah 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 gitu.
ya. Jadi flowing
Pintar-pintar
naturally
kita.
ya, Miss.
Kenapa?
Flowing naturally ya, Miss. Jadi kayak
Yes.
ngikutin alur banget gitu ya, Miss. Jadi kita
Uh-uh.
benar-benar kayak nyata gitu ya, Miss.
Jadi buat aku tuh merasakan apa yang Mbak Aura cerita itu loh, kayak aku tuh penonton gitu. Jadi kalau kita kayak udah dapat feel dari si speaker ini ngomong, itu nilainya 7 gitu loh Mbak Aura.
Itu kalau dapat feel-nya ya, Miss.
Dapat feel-nya. Tadi kan aku rada-rada dapet tapi nggak dapat full gitu. Nah,
Siap,
kalau
Miss,
untuk
siap.
part satunya Mbak Aura udah oke. Part satunya cuman kalau aku boleh suggest, kalau targetnya itu adalah 7 plus, nah nanti diatur grammaticalnya. Misalkan kayak tadi, ini kan baru spontaneousnya udah oke ya, berarti udah 6 ini udah bagus banget sebenarnya. Nah,
Alhamdulillah,
misalkan
Miss.
kayak tadi pertanyaan pertama itu bagaimana mengeluarkan cairan gitu. Talking about names, I think my names bla 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 bla. Nah, aku biasanya alibinya ke sana, Mbak. Walaupun apapun itu, aku selalu menjawab pertanyaan si examiner itu dengan cairan. Apapun itu. Kalau nggak bisa aku jawab dengan cairan, kayak naming kan nggak ada ya.
Iya,
Naming
iya.
bla 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 kan nggak ada. Aku lariin ke talking gitu. Jadi pintar-pintar kita sebenarnya. Terus yang kedua, misalkan kita kompleks gitu kan. Terus yang ketiga, penggunaan modal. Terus yang keempat, kita penggunaan pasif gitu. Kan dia ada 6 ya pertanyaannya.
Iya,
Nah,
Miss.
itu yang harus kita kita notice.
Oh, I see. Oke, Miss. Iya benar sih. Tadi blank banget gitu, Miss. Kalau coklat masih
Karena
ini
nggak
sih.
nyangka ya pertanyaannya itu ya.
Iya, Miss. Benar. Oh iya. Berarti
Iya,
dia
itu kan
lebih spesifik gitu.
dari Makar kan aku ambil itu names itu.
Oh iya ya, Miss. Oh, aku bacanya udah yang kayak yang robot, terus yang kayak udah serius gitu. Terus pas ditanya tentang aku langsung aku harus jawab apa gitu. Aku lupa gitu. Siap. Miss mau nanya.
Tapi masih bisa.
Oh,
Iya,
masih
boleh.
bisa. Miss, kalau misalnya di IELTS speaking yang asli, itu kita benar-benar ditanya hal yang membuat kita shock kayak tadi, atau ada kisi-kisinya, Miss?
Kisi-kisinya itu semua yang ada di Makar, Mbak.
Oh, jadi itu
pertanyaan di buku Makar itu, semua pertanyaan yang ada di buku Makar itu itulah kisi-kisinya. Jadi semua question itu berasal dari sana.
Oh, berarti pintar-pintar kita baca ya.
Aku cari aja pertanyaan real test aku ya, ada 2, aku masih ingat itu, tentang robot, tentang coklat. Robot dan coklat. Terus pertanyaan kedua aku itu polite person, polite teacher. Terus yang ketiga itu related to the polite. Udah, cari aja di Makar itu ada tuh.
Oh my God, Miss, thanks a lot, Miss. Really, I need to study a lot about the Makar things in the Makar book.
Yeah, Makar books ya. It is really important for you when you want to take the real test.
I see. Okay, Miss. Okay. Yeah, thanks.
Any question, Mbak Aura?
Enough, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
Semoga nanti post testnya lebih bagus ya.
Amin.
Mudah-mudahan dapat at least 6.5 ya.
Amin. Mudah-mudahan, Miss.
Silakan belajar.
Iya, thank you, Miss.
Iya, you're welcome. Bye, Mbak Aura.
Bye, Miss. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Miss.